Welcome back, tough guys and girls. Günni the knife dude from Germany is back, but today in Crete, Greece, on holiday. And of course, you guys and girls knows me. I have to present you a knife. I have find it very fast here on the island of Crete. So, and what we have here? It's a classic, an old school traditional folder. There's a great knife tradition here on Crete. Olive wood scales, stainless steel blade, very classic clip point blade, classic size like your Buck 110, a good size. The knife, the tip is very aggressive, very easy to sharpen. It's a stainless steel, as I said before, nothing special, but very easy to sharpen. Good steel for the price. With an old Cretan warrior on the scales, and on the other side we have a picture of the island, Greece, dolphins, I don't know the name, Steinbock is the German name, I don't know it exactly. So, very classic, beautiful folder. Yes, guys and girls, that was just a short video to present you a classic Greek folding knife. Bye, see you.